Today, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. This is a fundamental skill that lets you set up professional video calls in advance, ensuring everyone knows when to join and has the proper access details. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials, enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your meetings and settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your dashboard. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Meetings. This section displays all your upcoming, previous, and personal meeting rooms, and it's where you'll create new scheduled meetings. Now look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Schedule a Meeting with a plus icon. Click on this button to begin setting up your new meeting. This opens up the meeting configuration page where you'll define all the details. The first field you'll encounter is labeled Topic. This is where you'll type in a descriptive title for your meeting. Choose something clear and professional that immediately tells participants what the meeting is about, whether it's a team sync, client presentation, or project discussion. Next, you'll need to select when your meeting will take place. Click on the When field to choose your preferred date from the calendar that appears. After selecting the date, specify the start time using the time selector. This ensures your meeting is scheduled at the exact moment you need it. Right below that, you'll find the time zone drop-down menu. Click on it and scroll through to select your correct time zone. This is crucial because it ensures participants in different locations see the meeting time adjusted to their own time zones, preventing any confusion about when to join. If you need this meeting to repeat regularly, you have the option to enable recurring meeting by checking the box next to it. This is particularly useful for weekly team meetings or monthly reviews, as it automatically creates the same meeting at regular intervals. Moving down, you'll see the Meeting ID section. Here you have two options. You can either select Generate Automatically, which creates a unique ID for this specific meeting, or choose Use Personal Meeting ID if you prefer to use your permanent meeting room. Each option has its benefits depending on your security preferences and how you manage your meetings. For security purposes, you'll want to add protection to your meeting. You can either enable a passcode by typing 1 into the passcode field or toggle on the waiting room feature. The waiting room is especially useful as it lets you control who enters your meeting by admitting participants individually. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. You'll need to wait a few seconds while Zoom processes and generates your meeting details. The system is creating your unique meeting space and preparing all the access information. After the meeting is created, you'll be presented with the meeting details page. Here you'll find your meeting ID and an invite link. You can easily copy either of these to share with your participants through email, calendar invites, or messaging apps, ensuring everyone has the information they need to join. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.